Hello guys, come with me. Let's make that Nigeria traditional dish that is well known, Okpa Dioko, Okpa Enugu. This is one delicacy that we don't joke with. Watch till the end. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, I love you so much. To my viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel. Thank you for watching my videos and for the likes and for the comments. Thank you so much. And in today's video we'll be making Okpa Dioko, guys. In today's video we'll be making Okpa Dioko, Okpa Enugu. Back in those days, when you are looking for a snack that is going to sustain you for a longer time, mostly during the lunch time, we opt for Okpa Enugu and then a bottle of Coke. Once you take this two combo or more, it's going to last you for a long time. For throughout the day, you won't feel hungry. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can achieve this Okpa Enugu, how you can make your Okpa Dioko using just 3 ingredients. Guys, when I mean 3 ingredients, you don't need to stretch yourself. Using just 3 ingredients, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make your Okpa Dioko. I also heard that some people used to put Oziza seed. I've not tried that in my Okpa. Maybe we will try some part of it. Let's know what the taste. Does it taste different or does it taste the same? The ingredients we are going to use are 1. This is Okpa. This I'm going to attach the seed to see, so you see how the seed looks like. So this is Okpa. We call it Okpa. Everyone that is from Nigeria knows what Okpa is. I don't really know the English name, but then I know it's Okpa. We call it Okpa. So this is Okpa. It has been grounded and it has been sifted to remove any dates. This is 3 cups of Okpa flour. So this is 3 cups of Okpa flour. And I'll be using my pepper. So this is habanero pepper that I just grind. And I'll be using my oil. Yeah, this is oil. And I'll be using my salt. So like I said, maybe we try just a little part of it. We can just add our Oziza seed. Let's taste the one with Oziza seed and the one without Oziza seed. Let's see, does it taste different or are they the same? So this is optional. So these 3 things are my main ingredients and the Okpa. So the first step of this is getting your Okpa seed, grinding it and sifting it to get Okpa flour. So when your Okpa flour is ready, the next step is adding our oil. So I'll go on to add our oil. So this is Enugu oil and it tastes so good. So this oil came all the way from Nigeria to UK, and I must tell you the truth, I have been enjoying this oil. So one thing with Okpa is that it needs a lot of oil, guys. It needs a lot of oil. So don't be economical when it gets to oil. Put enough oil on your Okpa. So as you add, you keep turning it with your wooden spatula, like I'm doing so. Most times, if we are doing a large quantity, more than this, we use our hands to mix in the oil into the Okpa. But because I'm turning in a small quantity, I'm going to use my spatula to do my mixing. So I will still add a little more oil because I want oil to come out well. So I'm going to add a little more oil to it, and that's it. I will keep turning it. The oil is well mixed into the Okpa. You can see the oil is well mixed. So the next step is to add in our water. So guys, before you start turning all this, make sure you place your water on fire or on your electric kettle to boil. We are going to use hot water for this to turn in this. We're going to use hot water to turn in this, and the water don't have to be warm, it has to be hot. Like it has to boil. We allow it to cool for like 3 minutes. then you can now use it. So at this point, I'll be adding in my hot water bit by bit while I turn it into the okpa. Just to ensure that your okpa is well mixed before you add in more water, and continue to stir. Your okpa don't have to be too watery and it doesn't have to be too thick. So as you can see, once you raise, you can see how thick it is. So this consistency is okay for me. So that's it. So guys, the next ingredient we'll be adding to this is our pepper. So this is our fresh pepper. I'm going to add it to this. And after adding my pepper, the next thing I'll be adding is my salt. I'll be adding in my salt. I'm going to test it whether the salt is okay. I need to add in more salt. So you know the reason why okpa doesn't need too much ingredients is because okpa itself, it's proteinous and it has its own taste. Although there are some special order that some people might request, some might request for vegetable okpa. In that one, you just have to add the vegetable they want. Some add pumpkin leaf to it, while some doesn't want that, so they just make it as plain. So this is just the basic okpa. Then we have some variety, but that is based on request. So guys, at this point our okpa is ready. Our okpa is ready. So the next step is tying it, and here with me I have my nylon. My mom put this nylon for me because when sending some stuff from Nigeria, she added the okpa, and because she knows I will need nylon to tie this okpa, so she added this nylon. And she did not only add nylon, she also added this thread, this rice bag. So this is the thread gotten from the rice bag, so I'll use it to tie this. So guys, the next step is to tie the okpa. So I'll be using this to measure it, just using this spoon to scoop it in. So guys, to this I'll be adding this is grounded uziza seed. I'm going to add a little here. I'll turn it in. I'll tie it small so I'll be able to identify when it's done. Let me test. Does it taste different? So I'll tie it small so I can be able to identify it. Maybe just 2 spoons. So guys, that's it. So we have two of these that has the uziza seed, and then have 5 of this without the uziza seed. So this is our okpa. So already while tying okpa, I placed my boiling water on the fire. Like I put some water inside the pot and I place it on fire. As you can see, the water is already boiling, so I'll go into taking my okpa inside. I'm going to boil this for like 45 to 50 minutes. Take it off and see what our okpa looks like. So guys, see you guys in few minutes time. So guys, okpa is ready. This tastes amazing. I've so long for this okpa. I'm so very happy I can make this in the UK and enjoy it. I feel like I'm at home. This is so good. This is so good. I've mixed up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.